Okay, now here are the tents, and there's a lot to choose from. MSR, North Face, and what else? But I'm going to choose the lighter and compact one. And yep, here it is. Time to go home. Hey, what is up everyone? Be right back here and welcome to another product review. So this is the tent that I bought from Cabela's, and I'm gonna use it for moto camping. So time to unbox this. Why I chose this tent is because this is the smallest tent that I saw in Cabela's. So this is the Ascend Orion. Yeah, there you are. In this video, I would like to inform you about the specifications of this tent, especially sizes and how to set it up. So this is the Ascend Orion 2-person backpacking tent, and with regards to the specifications, I will start with the measurements. So I will start with the floor dimensions. 88 inches by 57 inches. Center height is 42 inches. Weight is 5 pounds. Fly material is 68D 190T polyester taffeta with a 1500 mm PU coating. Floor material is 68D 190T polyester taffeta with a 3000 mm PU coating and tape seams. Tent material is 68D 190T breathable polyester with no CM polyester mesh. And it utilizes sturdy 7001 aluminum poles, color-coded webbing, and quick-attach pole clips for easy setup. The tent also includes a convenient vestibule and interior ceiling pockets for storage. And also all the 4 corners has a pocket. The floor is a bathtub style, so you don't need to worry when it rains too hard. Setting up is easy. It takes only like 10-15 minutes and you're done. So all you need is to enjoy watching this video and let me set it up. So all the gears that I'm using right now is in my description down below. Yeah, I do. There you go. Mali yung ano ko ng ano. First, I'm gonna put the 4 pegs, the 4 corners of this tent. So I'm using this multi-tools. I just got it under 15 bucks. Then over here, Nice too. And Bro Norman is here. He doesn't feel to ride a motorcycle today. So instead he brought his pickup truck.
Kaya lang, wala tayong park starter nito.
Yung canopy, ayun pa yun.
Yung ano, may dala ko yung ilaw.
Mini pump. Forgot the price of this one, but I can still pump this using this instruction here. Just using your hands or feet, and the good thing is it's just under 40 bucks, and I use it like 6 times. This is the 7th time that I will be using it, and my 7th motocamping of this since last year. So actually this is the first motocamping for this year, but it's just a dry run.
Ilang minutes mo yung minutes? 15 minutes.
The good thing is there's a light also. Yeah.
Kahit na mag-hotel nga rin, di ba? Doon na lang. Doon sa may skating. Ang daan nun, iikot ka ng sunod na tulay. Nakakit ka doon, tapos iikot. Dadaan sa ilalim. Tama yung mga. Hindi nilalagay niya sa bed. Hindi nakakabit ka doon yan.
So I have this sleeping pad liner, and a sleeping bag. So I'm using this tent bag to cover my boots because this is waterproof also. And seal it like this. Then all I need is to put it here. There.